Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Too Ironic. We back with another Slimeball MK reaction. You know what I'm saying? When you get pulled over with the wrong friend. Never got pulled over, never intend to. Actually, I'm capping. Mod, bro. If I get pulled over with Spade, his name is Mod, it's raps. I'm not gonna say nothing, but hey, let's get straight into the video. Breakfast, get your oatmeal, my boy.
Man, we getting pulled over. We getting pulled over.
Hell no. Look, stay calm. Rain fucking calm, man. I got warrants, cuz. Fuck shit always leaving. Hey, look. If you ain't touch the car, bitch, he ain't got no circle window on you on God. If you don't got no warrant, do not get out of the fucking car. Call mama, bitch.
Wait, what? He just acting like a whole thug with the gun out?
When the other one come, bitch, to make sure y'all ass. Make sure y'all ass. Bro, you don't put smoke in the car, bro. Know it, bro. Fuck! Shit, man. Oh, the hell down. Man, he ain't hurry the fuck up, bro. He gonna lock me up, cuz lock me up. God. Man, like a touch you back up. I don't give a fuck no. Take me to jail. Lock me up. Go away to keep me. I ain't afraid of fucking the guy out.
He still looking in the mirror though.
Come on, man, hurry up. Hurry up.
That nigga pissed inside out, bro.
Come on, man, hurry up.
His shirt is. Oh my god, hey. Slimeball MK. Make sure y'all let me know what other videos to react to. Get you some healthy breakfast also. You know what I'm saying? Get in the gym, my boy. It's your boy Ironic, and I'm out. Go enjoy your day.